Hey there! In this video, let's see how to use filters in Pepper Cloud CRM. Filters in a CRM system are tools that enable users to selectively view or retrieve relevant records by setting specific criteria or conditions. To use filters in your CRM, navigate to any business module. I'm in Lead module. Here, let's apply filters on the records. In all business modules, there are two types of filters, quick filter and advanced filter. First, let's see how to apply quick filters. First, click on the filter button. There are 6 basic criteria to choose from for filtering out records. These criteria include assigned to, tags, lead status, source, created at, and updated at. Quick filters allow you to choose multiple filter criteria and choose multiple drop-down values at once. Now, let's understand each of these filters. Assigned to allows you to list out records assigned to the chosen person. By choosing the tags criteria, you can filter out records with the selected tag. Lead status allows you to filter records that are open, converted, or rejected. With the source criteria, you can filter all the records that are obtained from the selected source. Created at helps you find the records based on record created date. You can also filter records by the date they have been last updated. Apart from the quick filters, you can also use the advanced filter. This filter allows you to define specific criteria and conditions and provides you with customized subsets of data. Advanced filter comes with 2 logical operators, AND operator, and/or operator. First, let's check out the AND option. Here we can choose a property and a condition from the drop-downs. Now, let's create a filter criterion. You can create multiple criteria. The AND filter provides only the results that satisfy all the criteria that you have provided. The second option is the OR. This also allows you to add multiple criteria. However, in this scenario, records that match at least one of the criteria will be shown. In total, the advanced filter provides you with the exact results that you are looking for. Now, let's say you want to remove all the filters. For that, you can simply click on the Clear All button. So, go ahead and explore filters within CRM and use them for your benefits.